This interesting camper van I've got in front of me is a Volkswagen T6.1 conversion, and as you can see, it's got this extra bit stuck on the roof. It may not look like the most attractive camper van in the world, but it does have a point having that up there. So it's a tiny vehicle, if you like, as far as campers are concerned. It's some more or less standard sort of VW camper in some ways. You've got a sink here and you've got a cooker here, only that cooker is an intelligent induction cooker, and so that means you're going to have a different battery potential inside. Up here we've got a place to make another bed. So if you pull this out, you put the cushions down, and then you can make a bed up there. I say another bed because you can also make a bed down here as well. 2 seats there, that will pull forward. Table here, fridge down there. That's nothing out of the ordinary in that one. Let's have a look at the storage at the back, which is here. Now, bearing in mind that this is a VW camper van, it's got that huge amount of storage up there. I've got to say, for the price, this is really quite an interesting option, because most VWs, if you get them from VW anyway, they cost an absolute fortune. Electric plugs, USB, you've got your shore power, you've got your heater there, and let's have a look around the back. So there, these cushions go on top of the seat here, so the seats go forward, cushions go over the top, that makes a bed. You've got these rather nice looking bags here, which you can go forward to reveal the carriage and the under part of the vehicle, no, behind the seats. There you go, put it that way. In the cubby hole there, you might be able to see the water, and clearly with something like this, you can, the water cans, you can put them in series, so to speak, so you get more water should it be needed. And there's the outside shower, shore power, 12 volts, and I think this is a pretty interesting vehicle. It's very original, particularly with that extension up there. Sorry, without the extension it would be nothing out of the ordinary. Now, the battery capacity will depend on the specifier, which is the person who buys it, who specifies what they want. These camper vans are largely made to order, so it's a small company, and in fact most of the companies here you would see are actually building to order anyway. So Mercus Travel SJ, manufactured in Poland. Company started up about a year ago, and 20 COVID time, sometime around then, and although the company itself has been in business for many years. It comes with an awning as well, which is here. So thanks very much for watching this video, and I hope you found that of interest, and all the best from Caravan Salon 2020.